Hi guys, it's Bicana. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe at the end of the video. I went to the thrift store a couple days ago and I got a couple things that I really like for a really good price. And if you want to see them, stay tuned. First thing that I picked up from the thrift store was this t-shirt. It's Dracula. Oh my god. It's Godzilla, and I really like it. Let me give you some backstory, because I have like two other t-shirts that I really like. I really wanted to go to the thrift store to pick up some shirts that I can distress and bleach and just make it look really cool. And I found some perfect shirts. Like, this is a clear example of that. I really like the shirt. I feel like it's really cool, but I don't want to distress it anymore, and I don't want to bleach it. So I'm like, frig, I really like this shirt now. Next thing that I picked up is this Bob Marley t-shirt, and I love it. Like, I honestly like it a lot. It says Bob Marley down at the bottom. You can see that. And this is also $4. The back is the exact same picture, but just in black and white. And like I was saying, like, I really wanted to find some shirts to bleach and distress, but like, I'm not doing it instead of shirt. Like, I really like the shirt. I don't want to not like the bleaching and to not like the distressing anymore and then have ruined a perfect shirt. Another shirt that I found at the thrift store was this Beatles t-shirt, and it just says Beatles 1964, and I honestly really do like it too. And I'm like, oh my god, Bicana, you gotta bleach and distress this one. But I really don't want to. But if I do bleach and distress it, I will like show you guys how it comes out, especially since it's white. I think it'd be really cool if I bleached it just to see what it would come out like, you know? But I honestly do like this one too. Along with the other shirts, this one was $4. The next thing I picked up is kind of a bit out of season. Well, not out of season, just like, this is just not the appropriate season to be buying things like this. It's summer. But I could not pass it up. Like, it's this jacket, and it's really thick on the inside and soft, and I washed everything. This jacket was like $6 or $9. It looks like a bomber to me, and I really like it. It has pockets, and then like at the top it kind of can be cuffed up, I guess, like that. Has buttons. I love the color, and I think it's gonna be perfect for fall and winter, especially being in the place that I'm in. Like, it's always cold in the winter time, and snow is like this high. I kid you not. But I really like it, and it's really warm, so I'll get a lot of wear out of this when the time comes. And even for summer nights, like, girl, if I'm sweating bullets and I want to wear this, I'm gonna wear it. But it does get cold some nights, so that'd be nice too. The next thing I got, I picked up like kind of really quick, because like the store was closing. And she's like, you guys have 6 minutes. And I'm like, okay. And I found this right away, basically. It's this top. It looks much more pleasing on, trust me. But it goes along with that trend of the, like, the strings in the front or whatever. I really like it. I like the stripes and the color scheme. I feel like it's like a very like 70s type shirt, and I feel like it's a shirt that I could see in Urban Outfitters. I used to work there, and I feel like this would be like $25–30 at Urban, or even Forever 21 or any one of those other stores. And I just feel like this is a great purchase, because I got this for $4 at the thrift store, and I was really happy. So the next thing that I picked up in a rush too, this was in the first 2 stores that we actually went in, was this dress, and I really like it. I love the color. It's very summer-esque appropriate. It's really flowy, and I just feel like the color really like suits my skin tone. I like it a lot. And then there's these flower crowns all over the dress. It's actually really nice, and it hits just above the knee. And I believe this was $6 as well. I think the dresses were $6, t-shirts were $4, shirts were $4, and I think the jacket was either 6 or 9. Prices are really, really good. I went to all Goodwills, by the way, except for one store. The next thing that I got is this Adidas pants, sweatpants thing. It has buttons at the side, and you know in those movies when they like rip the pants off, like, you know I'm talking about that. Really, really had me liking this pants. I found it in the kids section, so this was like $3. Yes, it was $3 because I got it in the kids section and it was a sweatpants. And it's really, really nice. I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of this summer and going into fall, because fall they have this new sweatsuit trend. You should look it up. It's actually kind of cute. And I just like it a lot. I like the quality. It's really thick and it should last me a while. The next thing that I got that I didn't get from Goodwill, everything else previous to this item is from Goodwill. Is this like pants? I don't know what to call it. It is a pants. It's really, really comfy. As you can see, it's very flowy. It fits really well on me. Like, it hugs my waistline so much. Like, I can chill in this. I can go out in this. It's very, very comfy. It's like one of those like MC Hammer type pants. But it's really, really comfy, and I got it in New York City. I went to some vintage stores. The store that I got this from is called Awoke Vintage, which is kind of like really, 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 really expensive for a vintage thrift store. But I got this for $5 in the sale section. And it's really, really nice. I like it a lot. I like the color, how it feels, a lot. And then the last thing that I got is from Goodwill, and it's shoes. And I never bought shoes from the thrift store before, but like I clean these and I wear them now. They're really, really comfy, really, really nice. And it's just these brown loafers. They kind of remind me of the Gucci Princeton loafers. Not the back or anything, clearly, because those loafers don't have a back. But this one really reminds me of it because of the front and the shape of the front. It's literally, if I could cut the back off and add some fur, you couldn't tell me that these weren't Gucci. But the only difference is I got them at the thrift store. And I think I paid $5 for these, so I'm actually really, really happy. They don't look that worn if you like look on the inside of the shoe, but like on the back, clearly. But whoever had these kept them up really nice. The leather's really soft, and I feel like it might be real leather. And the inside is suede. It's kind of cool. It's a really cool shoe. And yeah. So, yeah. So that's everything I got from the thrift store. I really, really, really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. If there's anything you guys want me to do, anything at all, please let me know. And thanks so much for watching. Check the description box for social medias. You know, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.